All right, kiddos. So we're going to be using Newrow for our Star 360 testing, and this will be new for some of you on how to share your screen in Newrow. You'll be in breakout rooms like normal, but when you get to that breakout room, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go up to Tools. Everyone will have Tools at the top. Once you do that, you'll see that you have the option to click on Desktop Share. Once you do that, you get this screen where you have to hit Start Screen Share. Then you get this window. All you have to do is click on the picture of the entire screen. It will activate the share button. Then you get this really weird tunneling effect, but that's okay because just go up and click on a new tab, open up a new tab, and then you're able to get to the Star 360 test. Does that make sense? And then you'll be able to go ahead and log in, and then I will see your screen. All right, I hope it works.